Why high-protein meal prep matters.
Protein is essential for muscle growth and recovery. Planning your meals in advance helps ensure you meet your daily protein needs, making it easier to build muscle and maintain energy. By prepping high-protein meals, you can control portion sizes, save time during busy weeks, and support your fitness goals without stress.
Grilled chicken and quinoa bowls.
Grilled chicken breast packs a protein punch with minimal fat. Pair it with cooked quinoa, a nutritious grain that adds extra protein and fiber. Add steamed vegetables like broccoli or bell peppers for vitamins. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for added flavor. Store in containers and you have a tasty, balanced meal ready to go.
Greek yogurt parfaits for breakfast.
Start your day with a high-protein breakfast. Layer plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a handful of oats, and chopped nuts or seeds. Greek yogurt delivers double the protein of regular yogurt, while berries add antioxidants. This easy meal prep option can be portioned in jars for a grab-and-go breakfast or snack.
Turkey chili for easy dinners.
Lean ground turkey is an excellent source of protein and low in fat. Make a big batch of turkey chili by simmering turkey with black beans, tomatoes, onions, and chili spices. This hearty meal is perfect for prepping in advance. Divide into containers and reheat during the week for a satisfying, muscle-building dinner.
Tuna and white bean salad.
Canned tuna is convenient and rich in protein and omega-3s. Combine it with drained white beans, cherry tomatoes, parsley, and a light vinaigrette. This salad stays fresh in the fridge for several days. It's quick to assemble and makes an easy lunch or light dinner, keeping you fueled for workouts.
Tips for successful high-protein meal prep.
Focus on variety to keep meals interesting and balanced. Use different protein sources like poultry, fish, dairy, beans, and eggs. Prep multiple meals at once. Store in airtight containers and label with dates for freshness. Planning your week around high-protein recipes ensures you stay on track with muscle-building nutrition.